How to identify signs of a dog with a broken tail at the middle or middle tip. Dogs are known for their wagging tails, which symbolize happiness and excitement. However, sometimes accidents happen, and a dog's tail can become injured or even broken. In this video, we will discuss how to recognize the signs of a dog with a broken tail at the middle or middle tip. 1. Understanding tail anatomy. Before we dive into the signs of a broken tail, it's crucial to understand the anatomy of a dog's tail. A dog's tail is an extension of its spine, consisting of multiple vertebrae. These vertebrae are stacked on top of each other and can be divided into three main sections: the base, middle, and tip. 2. Causes of tail injuries. Several factors can lead to a dog suffering from a broken tail. One commonly seen cause is trauma, which can occur when a dog's tail is accidentally stepped on, caught in a door, or pulled forcefully. Another possible cause is excessive wagging, particularly in dogs with long tails. Over time, the constant wagging can cause damage to the tail and result in a fracture. 3. Signs of a broken tail. Identifying whether your dog has a broken tail can be challenging, as some dogs may not display any symptoms or may very subtly show signs of discomfort. However, there are a few common signs to watch out for. A. Visible injury. If you notice any visible signs of injury, such as bleeding or a crooked tail, it's a clear indication that your dog's tail is broken. B. Pain and discomfort. Dogs with broken tails may display signs of pain and discomfort. They might hold their tail low or tucked between their legs and become sensitive when you touch or try to move their tail. C. Swelling or lumps. Some dogs may develop swelling or lumps at the site of the injury, indicating a fracture. D. Changes in behavior. A dog with a broken tail may exhibit changes in behavior, such as being less active, having difficulty wagging their tail, or experiencing difficulty with bowel movements. 4. Steps to take if you suspect a broken tail. If you suspect that your dog has a broken tail, it's important to seek veterinary care immediately. The veterinarian will perform a thorough physical examination and may recommend additional diagnostic tests, such as X-rays, to confirm the diagnosis. Treatment options will vary depending on the severity of the injury and may include pain management, splinting, or even surgery in severe cases. 5. Preventing tail injuries. While accidents can happen, there are measures you can take to minimize the risk of your dog sustaining a tail injury. Here are a few preventative steps to consider. A. Create a safe environment. Ensure your home is free from hazards that could potentially cause injury to your dog's tail, such as closing doors carefully and keeping the tail out of the way while doing so. B. Be mindful of your dog's tail during playtime. During play sessions, be cautious of where your dog's tail is positioned to avoid accidentally stepping on it or causing any other form of trauma. C. Avoid vigorous tail pulling. If you have children, teach them to avoid pulling a dog's tail, as this can cause pain and potential injury. 6. Conclusion. Recognizing the signs of a dog with a broken tail can be challenging, as dogs may show minimal symptoms or hide their discomfort. However, by being observant and familiarizing yourself with the signs discussed in this video, you can ensure that your furry friend receives the appropriate care and treatment if they suffer from a broken tail at the middle or middle tip. Remember, it's always best to consult a veterinarian for a proper diagnosis and guidance on how to handle a tail injury.